welcome to my channel. Yes, we are doing a very colorful eye look today. I am, you know me, I love the color, and lately I've been doing more neutrals and more purple kind of colors, more subtle and toned down looks for me, not for anybody else, but for me. I've been doing some toned down looks, and I kind of wanted to get back into the bright colors. I've done a look similar to this, but not like this. So today I am using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and the Violet Voss Rainbow palette. The reason why I'm using these palettes is because the Violet Voss palette is an all shimmer palette. It is just a beautiful palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. This right here, this Fiji color, is my absolute favorite color. It is what I am wearing right here on the inner corner. And then the Zulu palette, of course, looks like this. Those of you, oops, and yes, I dropped it. I'm so upset I dropped it. Those of you that have not seen it before, this is what it looks like. I broke that one, but it has all these bright colors, and I absolutely love it. These two palettes are probably my favorite palettes, along with the Bright Lights palette. I'm probably gonna do a most used and least used palette, and I did film that, but it was like over a month ago and probably very outdated right now. So anyway, so if you want to see this look, then hang out with me and let's get started. All right, let's get started. Now, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, but let's just kind of go with the flow today. So I want to use two palettes. I know I want to use two palettes. I want to use the Juvia's Place. There we go. The Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and then the Violet Voss Rainbow palette. The reason why I'm using both of them is because the Rainbow palette is an all shimmer palette, and I want mattes for my transition color. So I think what I want to do, and I've done this before, but I'm gonna do it anyway, is use 3 mattes on my transition. So I think what I'm going to do is use the purple, the green, I don't know why it looks blue on here, and then the orange. Yeah, the color saturation on there, on here is pretty different, so sorry guys. All right, so let me and if I sound sick, my allergies are killing me for some reason. It's been raining a lot here, and yeah, it's just awful. So I'm going to use the JH36, and I'm going to do one eye on camera, and then I'll come back and do all of my face. No, I'll do one eye on camera, and then I'll do my foundation and all that off camera and the other eye, and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line. Okay, let's get started. So what did I say? Yellow, no, orange, purple, and green. This is gonna be interesting. No, I just can't do it. Let's do red, purple, and green. There is the red, and then we'll do, the red, and then we'll do green in the middle. And we are going to blend all of this out. And then we're going to do the purple on the outer. Dear Lord, it's been a while. So we're gonna do a double cut crease. So let's start out with the cut crease. I'm gonna use the Born This Way, the Born This Way multi-use concealer in warm beige. I vaguely remember them saying that it's probably not a good concealer for the eyelids, so I'm wondering if, okay, we're gonna, you know what, we'll try it. Take this Luxie shader brush in, there we go, in 245. It's a small shader. And the way I do my cut creases is I start, I look, and then I go, because I have hooded eyes and it's gonna transfer anyway, so I make sure I do my cut crease pretty high up. Okay, so you really don't want to know how long that took me, but it took me forever. Now, I've got a fly in here and it's annoying the freaking crap out of me. Okay, so now we're gonna do the lower portion, and I think what I'm gonna do is do like a gold, do the gold, and then do Fiji, which is this kind of blue. We're gonna do buttercup, and then Fiji, which is this blue. And I think on the back we're gonna do royal. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just bring it out to here. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave the rest here because we are gonna do a wing, and I'm gonna have it kind of cover the rest of this up. See how that works. We'll see how it works. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use the JH41. I've started replacing the Jaclyn Hill brushes that I do not like with my normal brushes. So, and when you do this, oh, I guess I went down too far, sorry. All right. Now, when you do this, like I said, I've got hooded eyes, so I've got to come up here. You want to just go right close, but not exactly. See, I'm gonna bring it up here. Damn fly. Okay, so now we're gonna take Buttercup, which is that gold, and we're gonna put that one in the middle. Oh, it's pretty. Inner portion. This is probably my favorite color from this palette because it's very, very vibrant. And I use a dome brush to blend, and this is just, it's just a dome brush. And then you want to kind of blend these, and then you want to blend this out just a little. Angled liner brush. And I'm gonna get some more of that concealer. And then just kind of go over so that line is, I'm gonna move this so I can get my elbow in pretty close, or get myself in pretty close. All right, I'm gonna have to do this down here. You want any of these palettes, you really need to see what colors they are. All right, now that that is dry, I'm gonna do my wing real quick. This could go very bad. That actually worked out very well. So now let's just clean up right here, and oop, had a lot of fallout. All right, so now I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye and the rest of my face makeup, and we'll come back and do the lower lash line. All right, I am back. You should know the horrible time I had with this eye. I think it took me forever to do because I am right-handed. I am not left-handed, and yeah, this side is always great. This side always sucks. So now that we're saying that, I am going to go in with a different color on the lower lash line than I am on the top. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in with indigo, which is indigo. It's a purple kind of color. There we go. Okay. And I'm gonna do both eyes on camera. And then I'm gonna use this seafoam on the inner. Oops, sorry. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, ooh, I got that in my eye, the JH37, and I'm going to go in with this orange in this palette here. And I'm going to buff out the lower lash line. If you see me moving like crazy, it is because there's a fly in my office, and it for some reason really likes me. So this JH, see if it'll focus. It probably won't. There we go. This JH42. Let me get this here, and it's gonna look a little on the crazy side, but I will buff it out here soon. But let me do both eyes first. I'm going a little too fast here, so we're just going to kind of buff out that so that it doesn't look ugly. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the inner corner with Fly Go Away. with the JH39 because it's the first one that I found. Damn fly. And I'm gonna go in with Opal and pack it right there on the inner corner. And then I'll let my battery go, and then I will finish up the face and kind of show you kind of what the finished look looks like, and then I'll do my outro or whatever. This is normally what I do on Instagram, and I don't like doing it on here because I kind of want y'all to see how everything comes together, but I'm the stupid idiot that didn't charge your battery, so I will be right back. Okay, so for those, let's center you a little bit. Okay. So for those that do not know me and are just now coming in, I think I've only had like 6 videos, maybe 5, will be a little shocked at this look right here, but I love color. It doesn't matter if it is on the lips, on the eyes, or both, because I don't go with, if you have a bright eye, then you go with a neutral lip. Not all the time. Sometimes I do, but yeah, this will be no surprise to you. But for those that normally see me, or normally do not see me, I love bright colors. So yeah, there you go. All right, let's go back, and so I finished the face. You saw the eye look. I added just these pure Socialite lashes. I absolutely love these lashes. I think I have a lash video that's coming out, and I don't know how old it is, so I may re-record it. But these are on my eyes, and then on the lips, I have been dying to try this out, and this is the Wet n Wild Megalath Liquid Catsuit Metallic in Bewitched, and they have like so many other colors, and I think I'm going to get all of them. This is a really, really affordable liquid lipstick. It is $4.99, I believe. Yeah, $4.99. And for me, I really didn't like the formula because it was really, really drying for me. But now with all liquid lipsticks, I always add a gloss on top. So now that I do that, I'm perfectly fine with it. So yeah, it's really up to what you like. I know a lot of people that love that formula, but me, I like a little bit more of a moussey formula. All right, so that wraps up the look. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more like this, or more, you know, more videos, that I do tutorials weekly. I also do, I'm gonna start doing a Will I Buy It, but I try to do 3 videos a week. So also you can follow me on my if you want to, you can follow me on my social medias. I have 2, 3, yes, but I don't tweet very much. So my Instagram and Facebook. Instagram really is where I spend most of my time, and both Instagram and Facebook, they have pretty much the same content. Every now and then I'll go live on my Facebook account. I haven't gone live in quite a while, but those 2 are the most used, and I do a look every single day, and I'm always posting them. So anyway, yeah, if you, I also do a lot of IGTV. I do IGTV like 3 days a week, and that is all tutorials. It's just all mainly eye tutorials. So yes, I would be happy to have you subscribed and in the family, and I love hearing from you guys because I just do. I love talking to you. I love talking